particular lecture, we are going to see on the importance of bringing in targeted traffic to your business site. So let's move on. As I have mentioned in my previous lectures, website traffic is the only way to bring in sales to your business and become a successful online marketer. Generating sales would be the ultimate goal of any business website, as driving traffic would bring in a lot of sales to your business website. Online traffic through website provides you opportunity for better advertising. I highly suggest you to start guest blogging if you have money to invest on online advertising. Guest blogging is a method used by bloggers to increase blog traffic, where bloggers write posts to be published on other bloggers' blog. It is one of the most effective way of getting brand reputation to your business website. Guest blogging will also increase the traffic to your website, and it will help you to build your own brand. This would truly become a boost to your brand's online reputation, as this will help you to have happy, satisfied customer, and also the web visitors will start telling other people about your brand, product or services. Targeted traffic will not only bring you brand reputation but also improves your high level of credibility among targeted users. This will give more opportunities for generating links from relevant websites into your websites. These are the kind of ingredients that search engines like Google expects and reward you with good rankings. But when it comes to targeted traffic, social media is the most powerful one. It is not enough just to have a great content and hope that people will find it. You need to be proactive to make your website reach your customers. Therefore, using social media channel is one of the best way to increase traffic to your website. Social media helps you to promote your website and bring in sales to your business. For example, Twitter is an ideal way for short, concise links, whereas Google Plus can help you in promoting your site. Also, your site will appear in personalized search results, and especially it is effective for B2B niches. But if you are a B2C product company, you might find great response with image-based social sites like Pinterest and Instagram. So make sure you are driving online traffic to your business website. I'll be showing you how you can drive traffic effectively to your business website with the software that I'm providing free with a course in the software explanation section. But before that, let me provide you step-by-step blueprint on building your online sales empire.